Who was Darwin? Charles Robert Darwin was an English naturalist, geologist, and biologist. He was born in the 12th of February 1809 and he died in the 19th of April 1882. He proved the theory of evolution by natural selection and that every species alive came from the same common ancestor. He received prizes such as the Royal Medal, the Copley Medal, and the Wollaston Medal. So he traveled from England around South America to the Galapagos Islands, and he made some stops along the way in South America too. So how did he prove the theory of evolution by natural selection? So when he went to the Galapagos Islands, he spread one species of birds all around on the Galapagos Islands. There were no other animals on the islands and there were a limited amount of food on the islands. Then he went back to England and after 3 years he came back to the Galapagos Islands to see what had happened. So what had happened were that the birds had evolved because of the limited amount of food on the islands. Some had grown larger beaks, while others had grown longer beaks. The ones with the larger beaks were stronger and could therefore break nuts and get food in that way. The birds with the longer beaks could fetch food from the ground such as worms and insects. Unfortunately, some of the birds had not evolved and they died off. Because of the now big variety in birds on the islands, some of the birds could not mate with each other and had actually created different species. And by that, Darwin had proved the theory of evolution by natural selection.